Expectation values of dynamical quantities. According to Born, the wave function psi has probabilistic interpretation. Therefore, it is essential to calculate the average value of dynamical quantity defined by the wave function. In physics, such dynamical quantities are space coordinate, momenta, and energy of the system. The expectation or average value of any quantity f function of r which depends upon position for normalized wave function may be written as expectation value of fr is equal to integration prt f cap r d tau, which is written as integration psi star rt f cap r psi rt d tau, equation number 1, where f cap r is the operator associated with dynamical quantity fr. Now, the expectation value of position vector r, expectation value of r is equal to integration psi star rt r psi rt d2. Equation number 2. This equivalent to the following three expressions. First one is expectation value of x coordinate is equal to integration psi star x psi d2. Next is expectation value of y is equal to integration psi star y psi d2. And other one is expectation value of z coordinate is equal to integration psi star z psi d2, where question number 3, where psi star is complex conjugate of psi, the wave function, where expectation value of x, expectation value of y, and expectation value of z are the expectation values of the coordinate x, y, and z of the particle respectively. The expectation value of the potential energy which is also the function of position is written as expectation value of potential energy is equal to integration v function of r and t p r and t d2, then is equal to integration psi star rt v rt psi rt d2. Equation number 4, which is also function of position and time, position and time also. Now from time dependent Schrodinger equations, we have eta h cross del psi over del t is equal to a psi, so that the total energy can be represented by differential operator that acts on the wave function psi, that is energy operator E cap is equal to iota h cut del by del t. Equation number 5. We have total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. That means E is equal to P square by 2m plus V. So that expectation value of total energy is equal to expectation value of P square by 2m plus expectation value of potential energy. Question number 6. Also we have E is equal to minus h cut square by 2m del square plus V. So that expectation value of E is equal to expectation value of minus h cut square by 2m del square plus expectation of value of V. Equation 7. Comparing equation 6 and 7, we get P square is equal to minus h cut square del square is equal to h cut स्क्वायर माइनस को आयोटा स्क्वायर के रूप में आयोटा स्क्वायर लिख दिया del स्क्वायर. So that the momenta operator P cap is equal to h cut by iota del, that is minus of iota h cut del. Equation 8. This equation suggests that the momentum can be represented by a differential operator minus h cut del. We can now write the expectation values of momenta and energy using the corresponding operator. The average value of energy is written as expectation value of E is equal to integration psi star iota h cut del by del t psi d2. आइटा और एच कट कॉन्स्टेंट है इसलिए इंटीग्रेशन से बाहर हो जाएगा. psi स्टार डेल psi बाई डेल टी d2. इक्वेशन नंबर 9. आइटा बाई एच कट इंटीग्रेशन साइन से बाहर. psi स्टार डी psi बाई डी टी d2. Now the expectation value for momentum is written as expectation value of momentum is equal to integration psi star minus iota h cut del psi d2 is equal to minus iota over h cut integral sin से बार psi star del psi d2 question number 10. The equation is equivalent to three component equations given by px expectation value is equal to minus iota h cut integration psi star del psi by del x d tau. Py expectation value is equal to minus iota h cut integration psi star del psi by del y d tau, and pz expectation value minus iota h cut integration psi star del psi by del z d tau. Equation number 11, where expectation value of px, expectation value of py and expectation value of pz are the expectation values of the component of the momentum along x, y and z axis respectively. It is to noted that the above formulae of expectation value only holds if the wave function psi is properly normalized. Otherwise, we have the definition of expectation value of any quantity f to be expectation value of f is equal to integration psi star f cap psi d2 over psi star psi d2. Question number 12. Therefore, if the wave function is not normalized, we have to use equation 12 and other equations of expectation values given above will be modified accordingly. Okay, thank you for watching the video.